Good morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Tuesday, December 16th. The euro declined 0.23% against the US dollar and closed at 1.2444. The greenback traded on a stronger footing after industrial production in the US rose more than expected, 1.3%, registering its biggest rise since May 2010, while markets were expecting it to post a rise of 0.7%. Additionally, the nation's manufacturing production advanced 1.1% in November, registering its largest increase in 9 months and exceeding market expectations for a 0.7% gain. The pair is expected to find support at 1.2423, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.2386. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.2489, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.2517. Trading trends in the euro today are expected to be determined by the services and manufacturing PMI data from the Eurozone and its peripheries, coupled with Germany's ZEW economic sentiment data, scheduled in a few hours. The British pound fell 0.56% against the US dollar and closed at 1.5643. On the macro front, the CBI trend selling prices in the UK recorded an unexpected rise to a level of 7.0 in December, while markets were anticipating it to drop to a level of -3.0. Yesterday, the UK Chancellor George Osborne highlighted that the decline in oil prices was overall a very good thing for Britain in the US and Western economies. The pair is expected to find support at 1.5587, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.5520. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.5734, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.5815. Going forward, investors await the UK CPI data along with the nation's bank stress test results, scheduled in a few hours. The US dollar weakened 0.45% against the Japanese yen and closed at 117.85. Yesterday, in Japan, Tokyo condominium sales fell 33.3% on an annual basis in November, compared to a drop of 10.9% recorded in October. Earlier today, data indicated that Japan's market manufacturing PMI edged up to a reading of 52.1, expanding for the 7th straight month in December. The pair is expected to find support at 116.80, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 116.20. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 118.49, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 119.58. Looking ahead, market participants would concentrate on Japan's adjusted merchandise trade balance data, scheduled in the late hours today. The Australian dollar weakened 0.49% against the US dollar to close at 0.8212. Early this morning, the RBA minutes from its recent monetary policy meeting indicated that the central bank was reluctant to ease its current monetary policy any further, despite growing expectations of an interest rate cut in 2015. The minutes also revealed that the central bank continued to express its concern over the elevated value of the Aussie. Elsewhere, in China, Australia's biggest trading partner, the HSBC manufacturing PMI slipped to a level of 49.5 in December, marking its first contraction in 7 months, although market expectations were for it to drop to a level of 49.8. The pair is expected to find support at 0.8198, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 0.8163. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.8268, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.8304. Gold prices traded lower by 2.18% against the US dollar at $1195.30 per ounce, as healthy US industrial and manufacturing data weighed on the demand for the precious yellow metal. Also, the Fed's interest rate decision, due to be announced on Wednesday, prompted investors to play safe. The pair is expected to find support at 1185.16, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1173.23. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1215.16, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1233.23. CommexFX is now offering a new application. Download the brand new CommexFX TradeMate app right now and receive daily market predictions, suggested market directions to trade on, highlighted best trading options and more, covering a wide range of markets, including energy, metals, indices, and forex, among others. Trade easily, trade successfully. For more information on CommexFX TradeMate app, kindly visit our main website www.commexfx.com. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube channel. Have a great trading day.